Hello everyone. It is Winter Data Meetup from datazencommunity. Our speaker is Kassiyet Topysheva, and she will tell us about her transition to BI analyst. Please don't forget to ask your questions in YouTube chat. Hi Kassiyet. It's nice to see you here. I pass the word to you.
Hi everyone. Thanks for joining. So my name is Kassiyet. I'm a BI analyst at EPAM. Today I'm going to talk about how did I transition to BI, and will share my experience in transitioning to BI. Yeah, so let's get started. So here's a brief information about myself. I have over 10 years of experience in IT. So before I worked as a business analyst, about 8 years on digital transformation projects in public sectors. And over the last 2 years, I have been working as a BI analyst on data-driven projects. So my educational background is software and hardware for computers and network specialist, and Master of Science in e-business management, data science stream. And here's the agenda. I will tell about what did I do before becoming BI analyst, and my path toward data and BI. So, and why I changed my career path, what steps I took, what is my current role and job tasks. Yeah. So the the first question. So, what did I do before becoming a BI analyst? So here you can see one of the main tech companies where I worked as a business analyst. So in the first company, I started my career job as a business analyst. So it was about 12 years ago. So at that time, business as well as public sectors had started automate their business processes. So they started their digital transformation, and it was a bit challenging to work as a business analyst because there was a lack of resources, trainings, courses, and in the most case, I had to learn by my own. So the first project was about automation of post-customs risk analysis process. So, and for the first time, I communicated with stakeholders, gathered the requirements, and draw UML diagrams, prepared software requirement specification documentation. And luckily, it was a successful project, and I started to enjoy this business analysis job because it was interesting to me to examine the business process and transforming the business processes from as is state to be. So finding the optimal ways. So in the next companies, for example, in the second, the client was the Minister of Finance, and they carried out a large-scale digital transformation using SAP products. And I was involving in in several projects where SAP modules like CRM, Solution Manager, Business Warehouse, as well as business objects were implemented. So thus, I worked as a business analyst in other tech companies performing the business analysis duties like business process analysis, requirement elicitation, CRS documentation preparation, UML prototyping, and here's in the second slide. You can see some of the artifacts that I created. I prepared in my business analysis job. So it is quite interesting because working as a business analyst will help you not only to know and learn about a software development process, but also you'll be able to know the subject areas, the domains that you are automating. So, so why and when I changed my career path toward data. So it was started from my dream. Well, when I was a student, I had a dream to study abroad. to get master's degree in IT. So to follow my dream, I applied for the scholarship, international Bolashak program from our government. And yeah, luckily I won the grant and I had a chance to study abroad. So definitely I was looking for courses, programs related to in IT. And among the programs, I chose master's study e-business management. So it has four streams, specializations like e-commerce, digital marketing, data science, as well as digital consultancy. So to be honest, in the at that time, I didn't know well about the data, like a data science area, but I had the research and yeah, and I understood the importance of this data area. And I had some consultation with the people who studied on this program, and I chose this data science specialization. So it was in at the University of Warwick. So, so in the next slide, you can see the key modules of this program. So the first one of them, it was computational statistics with Python. So I can see that at the time I didn't know well about the Python, but before starting this like a module, for 3 days, I learned the Python because it was written by my professor in an easy way that you can. I was able to learn easily. So within this course, we created the like a data pipeline that automates the data cleansing, data transformation, the initial analysis using raw data. For big data analytics and the visualization, we created the analytical reports, data visualization on Tableau. And for data science and machine learning, which was one of the challenging, sorry, challenging module. And within this module, we build predictive models using machine learning algorithms. And for cloud native computing, we created CI/CD pipeline in AWS cloud technology. So there are other modules that I took within this program. I have to say that yeah, it was challenging to me, but thanks to this course, I realized that I enjoy solving tasks and even coding, even it was new for me, for example, Python. And I was thinking to shifting my career toward data. Yeah, and I think one of the factor that's that helped me like overcome these challenges. I think the professors and the tutors of this university, of this course, because they were capable to explain the hard technical subjects in an easy way that even non-technical students were able to study on this course. So yeah, luckily I managed I completed this course successfully. And yeah, so after completion of this course, I was looking for a job, and I was hired by one of the big tech companies of Kazakhstan, BTS. And in this company, I was involved in two projects. So the first project was uh, development of analytical intelligence system for procurement. And I was responsible for the ETL part, and I need to design a functional architecture of ETL. So I designed the functional architecture of ETL process. I also documented this process. Also, I participated in the automation of ETL in low-code platform Logino. So you can see here the UI interface of this platform Logino. So as a result, the ETL process was developed successfully and passed to the next stage. The next slide, there is a second project where I involved in. So the second project was more technical. So it was the exploration and the analysis of procurement data to find the insights, to find the most influential factors to anomalies. So within this project, I was like given a task to explore raw data to find the most important factors affected the target feature. So what I did to fulfill this task, I did analysis in low code analytical platform, and I implemented the methods of descriptive statistics as well as machine learning. And I built models using algorithms like decision tree, random forest, and clustering methods in Python. So as a result, I found the most important factors that affected the target feature. So I have to say that this project, this task was very challenging because I had a lack of hard skills, especially in statistics, in like machine learning, and I decided to take the like a proper course that helped me improve my hard skills to fill in the gaps within these areas. So then I found a very good very good program course, which is called Data Analytics. So it is from Karpov courses, Data Science School. So this course consists of the modules like Python for data analysis, SQL, statistics, visualization, and other modules. And it lasts for about 5 months, and I enjoyed very much this course because it helped me to fill the gaps that I had for example, for Python, for statistics, and I enjoyed this course, and I become more confident in these areas. So then I joined the EPAM, so 2022 March, and EPAM was one of the like a dream companies that I wanted to work. And coming to the CPAM, I had also took courses and trainings like related to data modeling, database, data warehouse, cloud concepts, ETL, data visualization in Power BI, as well as data storytelling. So here at IPAM, there are so many opportunities to improve your soft and hard skills. And so currently, what is my current role and the job tasks? So I'm working on the project. This is my second project, and the client is the largest eye care device company in the world. So it has its branches in more than 140 countries, and the project is big data analytics platform, data lake, which is like implemented in cloud platform AWS. So my role in this project is data and the business analyst. So what I do on this project, so in terms of BI, business intelligence, I do data discovery, source data analysis, source to target mapping, data modeling, data verification, mostly in SQL. For in terms of business analysis, I communicate, with stakeholders to gather, to manage the requirements, and preparing the project documentation, facilitating the of Scrum, Kanban processes, and for UAT writing test cases for dashboard and the data validation, and also demonstrating the project deliverables, the project outputs to the stakeholders. What are the next steps to grow as a BI? To be proactive in my current project activities, successfully drive the projects, and to improve BI analysis skills in data profiling, data modeling, data visualization. Also, I'd like to gain the cloud certificates, especially in AWS. And also will want to involve in data science projects, because it is very interesting for me, this area. And from my from my journey, from my experience, I highlighted some takeaways. So if you are considering shifting to data area or BI analysis, you can try to learn SQL, querying data, or visualization. For example, one of the BI tools like Power BI or Tableau, maybe some coding with some programming language, maybe with Python, which is popular in data science, data area, as well as statistics. If you feel that you can you enjoy some of the areas, some of the activities, you can consider maybe shifting to BI world, data world. And also, of course, when you you put some effort, for example, on learning new things, of course you can face with the challenge, but don't give up whenever you face the challenges. Take step by step actions. And other recommendation that I'd like to give: to follow LinkedIn. So you may know that LinkedIn has a large a number of professionals, especially in data. So you can connect as many people, and communicate with them. And be curious. Be curious when you you're- when you are interested, you are interested in this area. Try to learn up to date information about data. So this is my few tips for you. And this was the last, I think, yes, slide. And if you have questions, I'm happy to respond to you. Thanks.
Thank you, Kassiyet, for your talk. It's really, impressive how much did you go to get
Mhm.
to your goal.
Uh-huh.
And but in the very beginning, like, why do you like data sphere? Why have you chosen data field? What was
Uh,
your
Yeah,
motivation? Mhm.
I understood that. So, as I said in the beginning, I didn't know well about this data world, data science. Even I was very scary to choose this specialism, data science. But when you go through something, when you, for example, when you study, and you can realize, do you like this new area or not? So for me, I found that I realized that I enjoy solving tasks, and even coding was very interesting for me. And I overcome my fear. I overcome my barrier. So this course helped me to choose this. this area. Yeah, I can say.
So it's more like you tried it and you liked it,
Yeah,
and then
yeah, yeah,
you
yeah,
pursued your
yeah.
career in this field. And about this, looks like you are ready for data science. Why have you chosen BI? I mean, why didn't you go
Ah,
further?
yeah, this is interesting. I told that in my previous company, I was involved in the like a data science, machine learning projects, so related to machine learning, and yeah, it was interesting, but at the same time very challenging because of lack of like hard skills that I had at the time. And yeah, when I like joined IPAM, there was a like a option to choose BI analyst. But about data science, I at that time I didn't searched for if, for example, if there are opportunities at IPAM, and coming to the IPAM, being as a BI analyst, uh, yeah, I like. I realized that it is with that job that I can enjoy, because it combines the skills of business analysis as well as data analytics. So but in the future, yeah, I'm as I've said before, as my future steps, I'm considering data science, because I'm continuing to learn, to read the books about this machine learning, and yeah, it's yeah, I will consider it.
Yeah, so you're not going to stop, right? So from you have listed like a lot of resources and a lot of courses that you took, but what is the most essential technical knowledge that was really useful to move to BI?
Uh-huh. Yeah, this is a
Like,
good
was it
question.
math, statistics, or was it SQL? Or
So, you know, the courses that I took during my master's study, and the course from Karpov course, the most of them related to data engineers, so data scientists, because it has, for example, Python for data analysis, for example, statistics, for example, A/B testing. So most of these skills implemented in data science area, and data being as a data engineers, for example. And your question, one of the what about BI analyst, what was the most
yes,
useful
essential.
skills?
Yes,
Yeah, essential. Yeah, was SQL for me, and Python, and data visualization. So of course they. You are asking in terms of BI, yeah. So these two areas was very useful in my current job. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
maybe some connection issues. Sorry. So that was exactly what I was asking. What can be first steps for those who want to become BI?
First steps, for example, if the person like me was working as a business analyst, maybe first steps to learn SQL, to learn data modeling, to learn what else? Python maybe not very implemented in business analysis job, BI analysis job. I'm confusing at the sometime. Yeah. So I think, yeah, this is data modeling. For example, when I worked as a business analyst, I draw diagrams like object diagrams, class diagrams. So these skills, I think, are uh, more useful when you work as a BI analyst, business intelligence, because you are working mostly with data, with the data structure. You need to know the relationships, for example, between tables and yeah, data warehouse. Yeah, about data warehouse is the one of the most useful um, topic to know, yeah, for BI analysts.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much for your talk. That was very interesting to learn. Thank you for
Huh?
sharing.
Yeah,
And
it's my pleasure.
thank you everyone for watching. And our next speaker will be Mark, and he will be talking about data mesh. It will be like in 15 minutes, so stay
Okay,
tuned.
thank you.